Welcome back. Step 4 is what is an uptrend? And let's talk about the anatomy of an uptrend. Just think of it really what it is more than anything else is overall confidence in the direction. You can see that the market is increasing in confidence. It's buying the market. And if you look at what it is it's just a series of higher highs and higher lows. So once you've identified pivots, it makes this fairly easy to be able to identify uptrends. You can see how we start with this bullish move here, and then we see a pullback in price. Think of it like breathing. You're going to breathe in, you're going to breathe out. Then you see a secondary move of momentum, and it puts in a higher high than our previous high. And then we see a pullback, and we see a higher low, and then we see it move higher and create a higher high. So an example of this would be, again, higher highs and higher lows. You can see here we have our low in the bottom left corner. It goes up and puts in a high, then it pulls back, puts in a higher low, and then you can see it putting in a higher high, again with a higher low, and then you can see it ultimately puts in a higher high. So that's a real brief description of a trend. So when we're looking at markets and we're identifying pivots, we're just comparing actual peaks and valleys of the market to really get an idea of higher highs and higher lows. Downtrend, same basic process. What we're looking for is lower highs and lower lows, and the overall market's losing momentum or confidence in the market. And you can see an example of that here with that particular price. When we talk more about actually how to trade these, we'll get a little bit more specific on actual rules for entries and that sort of thing. So hopefully this has been informative. And again, we want to keep these videos short, just little bits of information, and go to the markets and you can start analyzing that or having a little bit better feel for what we look for when we're talking in the live trading room.